Hi Cancers, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them. Okay, so let's see what are the tarot angels telling us about you and your partner. Okay, let's see what is their former concerns and their partner. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Let's see now what is there for my concerns and their person. Please, what is there for my concerns and their person? The concerns and their person. Okay. Okay, so at the back of the deck, your energies are Seven of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. It is a very slow energy, Cancer. It's like, someone is not taking any step towards something, or the step has already been taken. Now it's the time for execution. It's the time for wait, not the execution, because Seven of Pentacles tells us about how to just think about basically wait. You should have patience for this thing. You have already put the seeds. You have to wait for the relationship to grow. And I know you might not be even talking to each other, because the Knight of Pentacles is very slow in nature. It's like a beautiful communication, a beautiful relationship has just grown, and you really need some time for this relationship to actually become a beautiful tree. So let's see what else do we have. Okay, so a lot of Wands energies are here. Might be dealing with an Aries or Sag or Leo over here. Yeah. Okay, so how you see them as the Judgment? You see them as the person who actually needs to take a decision. They are the ones who need to take a decision. They are the ones who actually, they should think whatever the situation is between you both. Now it's their time. Now it's their part to do some action, to do some thinking, to make some decision. Page of Wands, how they see you as. They see you as the Page of Wands. They see you as someone who is actually just, came out from the shell, has just started to explore a world, a new world, something new. You have started exploring something you might have entered into a very career oriented person, basically a person who is really fiery in nature, and someone who is actually who wants to live a life, who wants to enjoy, who wants to build her or his own kingdom. Small steps, taking small steps towards something and to achieve a big goal. That is what they see you as. They see you as a very fun loving person. Okay, so let's clarify as well. Let's see why the Judgment is here. Why the Judgment is here. Ten of Wands and the Six of Cups. There might be some past baggages. There, past life baggages, or this might be some past issues from which we both actually went through, and there is a lot of healing to be done right now, because they are feeling really heavy. Might be they have somewhere deep down they have ignored you at some point, or something like that. They didn't give you enough attention, and that is why it's like a pause between you both, and that is why they are really feeling they are missing those moments, and those past moments with you. That is why you both are actually, it's not you, it's more them who is actually feeling bad, feeling heavy, feeling like oh shit, what I did. Okay, something like that, because they are missing you. Let's see why the Page of Wands. How they see you. They see you as the Hierophant with the Page of Wands. They see you as a marriage person, a marriage material person. They see you as somebody who has beliefs, somebody who has some kind of faith on God. Someone who really wants justice over here as well. So it's like somebody who loves to be balanced, who loves to be, a harmony. I would say there's some kind of a balance which they love in you. It's like you are always balanced. You're the perfect person. Basically, they see you as a perfect guy or the girl, and they're really happy to see you happy. It's like that. They have very positive things towards you. Yeah, very positive thoughts towards you. Okay, so why is the blockage then? Two of Pentacles. Let's see, why is the Two of Pentacles over here? They are confused, or you are confused. Somebody over here is confused. Might be you, might be them, who is actually going through two process or two people, and now they don't know, or any one of you don't know what to do. Let's see. Two of Pentacles with Two of Wands. There's definitely some kind of confusion going on in somebody's life. Being busy is also a very big problem in your relationship right now. When you don't even have time to even talk to each other. So that is the problem over here. That is the blockage, that busyness, that just being, in that 9 to 5 work, and then still overtiming and doing the work, and doesn't even have time to talk to you, or you don't have time for them. So this is like that kind of a energy. What else do we have? The Sun. Okay, what else? Five of Cups. So yes, there was something in the past which was actually bothering some of you, either of you, I mean, either you or them. Somebody over here is waiting for that bright day to come, and when everything just gets solved by its own. Somebody wants that thing. Somebody is waiting for that thing to happen, because on both the sides I am seeing that there is sadness as well. Let's see the Strength over here. This is the action which you are going to take. It's looking to me like you are really not going to take an action in this relationship. It's more about you are going to take an action with yourself. It's like you are working on yourself. You are just more interested to know who you are, to work on yourself, to self motivate yourself. You are in that mode. You miss them, yes, but it's like you just can't do anything about it. What else do we have? Seven of Wands over here. Okay, why is the Seven of Wands over here? Knight of Pentacles. Yes, it's like you are really working on yourself. If you are really fighting, that fight is also because of yourself. It's like you are fighting your own battles right now, so you are more concerned about yourself. There are other things in your life which you are concerned about, not just one relationship. You really want this relationship to happen, but somewhere deep down you just want that I should give some time to myself, because there's a lot of things I have to fix before entering in this relationship. And that is why you are taking that time. If you are really slow in this relationship, if you are the one who is waiting for them, it's like, I'll wait, but I cannot do anything. Okay, so that is your statement over here, that you will wait, but you cannot do anything. It's them who will do. That is what you want. Knight of Wands, their action. Let's see why the Knight of Wands is here. Well, Knight of Wands is always about, it is Aries energy. It's about like taking whatever the thinking process going on, taking an action towards that thinking. So they are really going to take some action, because at the end as well is the Eight of Wands, is the communication. It's like meeting together, having a communication, having a talk. So this is that thing. Let's see why the Knight of Wands is here. They really want, okay, now they really want to end this, because you haven't talked to each other from a long time. So they really want to end that not non-contacting zone, and they really are manifesting to talk to you from a very long time. They have manifested this thing. They always wanted to talk, but they couldn't. Now they have gathered that energy, and they are really ending that silent moment between you both, and now they are taking a step towards it. Let's see why the Eight of Wands is here in the overall outcome. Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, and the Emperor. Somebody over here is really very concerned, very consistent about fixing this relationship. See, the Emperor is that fatherly energy, is that thing like when I will order something, it has to be done, okay, it's my way or highway. So somebody is very consistent for this communication, and really is putting some efforts for this relationship to happen. This might be them or might be someone else, not your side but their side. I feel like a father or fatherly figure, or somebody who is very mature enough, a friend as well. So somebody over here is actually putting efforts for this beautiful relationship to happen, because it's like you don't want to talk, you are more into yourself, you are more into your energies. They really want, but they need some courage, they need some, the manifestation. The Magician says it all. Magician says, if I am saying something, I want it. So that is why the Magician actually manifests the good things towards himself. So somebody is really putting some efforts for this relationship. I'm seeing that. Okay, so that's all, Cancerians. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.